Hi guys, myself, Siddharth, and I welcome you to my channel.
Hello, myself Jessica. Today we are going to discuss about the word, preconceived notion.
So, without any further delay, let's get started. Meaning of the word, preconceived notion in English means, an opinion formed, beforehand without adequate evidence.
Meaning of the word, preconceived notion in Hindi means,
पूर्वाग्रह धारणा या फिर विचार जो एक घटना से पहले आयोजित किया गया हो।
So guys, let's understand this word by framing some sentences.
1. Before I started the job, I had no preconceived notions of what it would be like. 2. We all start with preconceived notions of what we want from life. 3. You had a preconceived notion that our neighborhood had problems with diversity and therefore misconstrued comments to fit an agenda.
Thank you Jessica for explaining me. Guys, I hope you have also understood the meaning of preconceived notion in Hindi as well as in English language.
This is for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then stay tuned, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.